Tesla's goal is to make solar roof installation easy enough that you can do it in one day. They've now gotten it down to about 4 days. You're watching a time-lapse video of an installation of solar roof by Tesla by Weddle and Sons Roofing in Auburn, Kansas. Weddle and Sons Roofing just completed a 40 square, which is 4,000 square foot, 15 kilowatt Tesla solar roof installation near Topeka, Kansas. This time lapse covers 4 days of installation, the PV ties, glass ties, and flashing, tears of existing roof and drying with double layer Firestone undermates took place the Friday before this time lapse started. The solar roof is made by Tesla and replaces your current roof with solar tiles that power your home with solar energy that you produce. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So according to armconstruct.com, the estimated time for roof installations are as follows: wooden shingles 3 to 4 days, slate tiles and shingles 6 to 7 days, asphalt shingles 1 to 2 days, and concrete tiles and shingles in 8 to 9 days. Maria Morano from teslarati.com has some details saying Elon Musk announced the release of Tesla Solar Roof version 3 during the electric vehicle automaker's Q3 earnings call in 2019. Tesla scaled up production of its solar roof at Gigafactory New York once version 3 was ready. Installation for the latest iteration of solar roof steadily picked up at the beginning of this year before the virus broke out. In February, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla was planning to ramp solar roof installations across the United States. Along with the announcement, Musk included a link to Tesla's solar roof team page, subtly inviting people to apply for the company's open positions for roofers, installers, and electricians. Musk has stated in the past that Tesla will need more manpower, that means roofers, solar roof installers, and electricians, to ramp solar roof installations across the United States. The virus ultimately kind of stalled some of Tesla Energy's progress with production and installation of solar roof V3. However, Elon Musk, Teslarati notes, and the rest of the Tesla team remained positive that solar roof installation could get back up and running despite the virus. Here is what Elon Musk tweeted on February 15. Tesla is ramping up solar roof installations across the USA. Training will be provided, so no prior experience needed. Apply now at tesla.com. Looking forward to international expansion later this year. Here's a quote. And internally, we want to have at least 1,000 solar roof installed teams with and taking a week or perhaps a little less than a week to do an install, which gets you 1,000 a week roof installations. We see demand is good, production is good, so it's really all about the install, said Elon Musk during the Q1 2020 earnings call. The CEO, Teslarati notes, also talked about solar roofs' rising demand globally. He alluded to expanding Tesla solar roof installations internationally by the end of the year back in February 2020 before the virus hit. Here's a quote from him saying, and then, like I said, also build out the training, the very diverse group of companies in the roofing industry to also install solar roofs that I think will scale, allow us to scale far beyond 1,000 solar roof installations a week. We're also seeing a lot of interest outside of North America, so we do expect this to be a product that is international and actually seeing a tremendous amount of interest from China on the solar roof. So we're confident this will be a very significant product for the company over time, Musk said. Okay, so as you're watching this time lapse, let me know, friends, what you think. This is, I think, very exciting and I want to share with you some thoughts. I'm looking at my friend Hallmark's Cadillac Twitter's account, and there are some very interesting comments from Tesla enthusiasts who are interested in solar roof, and I want to read some of them. One of the comments says it makes one want to build just to add this roof. Yes, if you're watching this time lapse, kind of I saw how cool it was, and especially if it's just 4 days thing and it's getting down to 1 day maybe, you just want to get one probably. Another person says, indeed, building solar roof is fun. A house build requires a lot of effort and learning, but it's so rewarding. Solar roof, power walls, geothermal, maybe windmill too. If site supports that, CLT frame, that's the plan someday for a house. Another person named Dan Berkland said, they have done a poor job addressing potential customers here in Minnesota. So I really hope that gets fixed over the next year. Yes, I think, although to be honest, like for example, I live in North Carolina, and starting yesterday, I saw advertisements on my Facebook page of power walls of Tesla. So, but it's by another company, so it's not directly by Tesla, but looks like Tesla is ramping its marketing of power walls, power packs, and solar roofs. Another person says, why is Tesla and Elon Musk not installing off-grid solar roofs or panels? It makes no sense. Another person says, because they will be using auto bidder to make extra cash and help more people at the same time as it affects the overall energy production and compaction. Another person named Tresley Kudindo has a good point, says, how cool is this? The panels in our house roofs get burning hot to touch in the middle of the sun, and that heat radiates into the attic and it radiates into the home, and you have to spend a lot of money to cool your home during summertime. How does the standard roof application and what seems like standard roof paper alleviate the heat? We would like to have solar roof, but unsure the process. But I think now here's a question as I'm reporting this. The good question from Tracy. If you establish a solar roof, will this alleviate the heat that goes to your house? If yes, that means you're saving not only on solar roof and getting energy, but you're also cutting the price of your potential bill, because you have to cool your house more in order to summertime. But now if that heat that hits the solar roof is going to be alleviated because of the solar panels and turn into energy, that may dramatically cut your air conditioning bill. If anyone understands these things and knows, please let me know. And another person says getting clean source of energy is better. I may soon sound silly, but I have this doubt for a while. When the birds fly over the home, when solar panels fitted at roof, would they get affected by the reflected light from the panels? So if anyone knows this, please let me know. Friends, in the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you and peace be with all of you. Please like this video. It helps us out a lot tremendously. Have a wonderful day.